Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Peter Liu, Real Wheel Deal. And today I got in the brand new Volk Racing T37 Sega SL. And right now we're just going to do an unboxing video for it, alright? So right here we have our box, and of course we have our spec sticker. This Volk Racing T37 SL Sega. This one here I have is 18x10 plus 40, 114.3, and of course it's in pressed graphite, you know, the most infamous color for the SLs of the Volk Racing wheels. The other sticker I want to let you guys see here, this is the seal of authentication. This is a very important sticker. This means that this wheel travels through an authorized distribution line. So that means that this is an authorized raised dealer you're dealing with. So when you go there, you inspect your wheels with your dealer, you order from that dealer, you know it didn't come through gray market, you have all the warranty and all the support just in case anything's wrong with the wheel or any issues that the shop you're dealing with, they can help you fix those problems with you, okay? And turn it to this side, 18-inch Japan Power raise. So of course, you know, really big impact right away. And now we're just gonna open it up. First thing upon opening it up, I have these very heavy face protectors. Just so that if shipping drops your wheel or anything happens, that you know the face of your wheel is well protected. And next thing I have is this big cover piece here. This just protects the face of the wheel additionally from cosmetic damage. And now we have our manual. So manual is really important because it has everything you need to know about how to take care of your wheel. But first thing I know for the T37 SL Sega, that there's 3 stickers in here. So I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna show you guys all the stickers you should have with your wheels, and they are included in the price of the wheels. So if the dealer or somebody's trying to charge you extra for the stickers, you know they're trying to hustle you because they should come with the stickers. Okay, so stickers come individually bagged. There's 3 of them. This is the infamous spoke sticker, Volk Racing Original. It's been redesigned for the new Sega SL. Here you have your T37 SL Sega sticker. This is actually going on the opposing side of where the spoke sticker is. So that's a new sticker that previously didn't exist on the old SL. And now we have raised edge, which is going to go on the opposite end of where that spoke sticker is, right in their middle, right off the hub. Next up in the booklet, I have instructions of how to adhere the stickers. For the spoke sticker, retain strength by anchor process. Leave the product to dry for at least a duration of 24 to 48 hours. And they teach you how to install it to avoid air bubbles. They also say don't use any harsh chemicals. And what's great here is they also have a sample image of what the sticker is supposed to look like. So like I said, spoke sticker on the end of the spoke here, this raised edge right off the hub, and the opposite end here, T37 Sega SL sticker there. So 3 stickers in total. The next part, this is more for me than you guys. It's that if I'm displaying this wheel at the shop, has a little plus R tag that can hang off the valve stem to indicate that this is JWL plus R standard, raised very high standard of testing wheels. The other booklet we have is a raised warranty policy. So it's good. This has both English and also the Japanese side. And in here, this is your warranty policy, and you can fill it out to register your warranty card so that you know that if you're through authorized distribution chain, that you're protected against all the things and the limitations of the warranty in here. And the last important one, I always like to keep one of these in my glove box. It's the Raised Aluminum Wheels User's Manual. So it tells you exactly everything about the aluminum wheel. When you're going through here, it tells you how to take care of them, see how to taper the lug nuts. And when you're screwing through here, they also discuss a lot of things about regular inspection, how to clean or not clean it. Another thing is installing the center caps. So the T37 Sega SL has the option of center caps. So here they discuss how to install the center cap properly to make sure it's secure. Last thing you want is your center cap to be flying off on a track or something. This last part is precautions for handling aluminum wheels, which is what I talked about. Cleaning, how to avoid damaging your wheels, and how to determine if your wheels are damaged. Of course, on top here, I have the raised wheel condom. The concept is racing. This is the final protection from any dust or anything that could scratch the wheel. And now the moment of truth. That's nice. Look at that concavity. Damn, I'm horny. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the wheel out, and I'm gonna show you something that's at the bottom of the box that you have to make sure you have. So when you're opening your wheel, always make sure you have this. This is the European air valve by Raise. This is a new logo one, and you wanna make sure this is attached in there. You wanna open it up, make sure it's the right color. For this one, it should be red for this color scheme, but make sure you have that. If they're trying to tell you it's extra charge for a valve stem, they're definitely trying to hustle you. It should come with a valve stem on every Volk wheel. Okay, so now your wheel is out, you wanna inspect the face. So right away, look at the face here. I run my fingers around the edge. Look across here and make sure there's no damage on the face or the lip here, because obviously if the wheel was dropped, it would have damage here or it would be scratched as well. And it looks like there's been no damage there. I look along the back side here too, this back area of the lip. I always make sure this flange here, there's no damage. It looks like it's pretty clean. I think I like to do now is like to run along the inside here, because you see now they have this AMT cutting. So I just run my fingers around the forged, run along here, Raised Engineering. I make sure it's cut clean, so it is. Also inside of here, I make sure all the machining here is really good. And I check each spoke, make sure there's nothing overhanging, no metal loose. Another thing is also with these here, VIA, JWL, I touch here, I make sure that some of these letters, they're also molded really well and not have any metal sticking out. This guy looks good. I checked for the paint finish. This one has a really spectacular paint finish, looks really solid. And then I turn it to its back. So back, you wanna make sure there's no damage here. and that when it was machined, it was really good. So when I'm touching here, listen, there's no metal hanging. There's nothing here that's going to be cutting my fingers, and nothing that's going to stop me from mounting that wheel directly on the hub. So it looks really clean back here. Back of the spokes looks like it's all done, painted well. Another very important part you want to see here is the sticker. See here, the sticker is lifting up a little bit. So I always take my hand, always run down. I make sure I stick down all my stickers really well. There has been some complaints lately that certain finishes of certain wheels makes the sticker not stick as well. So if you have one of those finishes like Blast Bronze or something, and worry about losing the stickers, at this moment, instead of like sticking them down tight and they're kind of loose, you could probably like peel them off to save them if you like. But I'm just sticking these ones down and make sure it's stuck down to here. And last part is I want to check on the side. There's a lot of tire knurling here that they've molded in. I just run my fingers along here. Make sure it's not loose metal or anything bad. Something that could be cutting the tire or impacting your bead with the tire. So it's looking really good there. And looks like we're rock solid on that. All right, so that concludes my super short unboxing of the brand new Volk Racing T37 Sega SL. Hopefully that video was really informative for you guys. You know, if you're working with a shop, you're getting the wheels in, I hope you guys are watching my unboxing videos because it tells you exactly what you need to look for and what you need to check that the box contains before you pick up your wheels. Also, like I recommend, you gotta inspect each wheel individually with the shop there. So if there's any damage, any scratches, you can take care of it there right away. It's not like you took it away, found the damage there and brought it back. So I always recommend inspecting all the wheels, making sure all your contents are there. And if you guys like this video, you found it really helpful, very informative, and you're very excited about the brand new SL from Volk Racing, comment below, hit subscribe, and we'll go do more unboxings. We'll keep going through the new wheels that come out, all right? Thanks.